Hi, in this video I will tell you about the magic brush in SmartMask AI. The magic brush has several uses. It is used to accurately select objects with complex edges, transparent objects, similar in color to the background objects, to clarify boundaries, or for interesting artistic techniques. The essence is simple. We can specify 5 colors that the brush will keep and 5 colors that will be erased. To select colors, we will use this color ring, which contains information about the current color and shades close to it. By holding down the Ctrl key, we can freeze the ring in place and use the eyedropper to select the colors we need. We can set the priority for each selected color, as well as adjust the transition parameter responsible for the smoothness of the boundary between the selected color and the background being removed. The Lab Colors checkbox will change the RGB color space to Lab. We can clear out colors with these buttons, and these two are responsible for saving and loading color presets. The brush has 2 parameters, size and hardness. Hardness determines the degree of blurriness of the brush's edges, and size speaks for itself. The tool has 3 modes of operation: drop colors, keep colors, and 2-in-1. The first one deletes the colors selected in the right column. The second one restores the colors selected in the left one, and the keep and drop mode does both tasks at once. In the brush sensitivity section, we have parameters for sensitivity to preservation, to deletion, and general sensitivity, which, by the way, is ignored when the enable priority checkbox is active. Overall, the magic brush is great for refining cutout objects or cleaning unwanted colors in an image. Enjoy, and thanks for choosing AKVIS.